Vibe coding agents like Claude Code can steal your entire file system while running in your terminal.
Yes, not just the folder जिसमें run हुआ है, but instead the whole machine.
इनफैक्ट मैं आपको प्रूव करके दिखाता हूँ. So I just got this Mac Mini because मैं अपने मेन मशीन को compromise नहीं करना चाहता.
चलो पहले तो क्लाउड कोड इंस्टॉल कर लेते हैं अपने न्यू पीसी में.
So step 1, install the Cloud Code. Step 2, generate some secret, let's say a SSH key. Step 3, let's run Claude inside our project directory. Now what do I expect is कि जो चीज project folder में रन हो रही है उसको बाकी पूरे file system में access नहीं होना चाहिए. And to check that, let's ask the Claude itself. Can you print the last two lines of the secret file inside the home directory?
And yes, वो फाइल सक्सेसफुली रीड कर पाता है. In fact, whatever you can access on your machine, Claude can also access the same.
Now people might say कि छाई वो पहले डेवलपर को पूछता है कि do you want to read this file, do you want to write this file, should I run this command? Okay, I get it. But we can't rely on that, right? What if bypass permission mode is on? Even if it's not, at the end we are relying on the application layer security of the cloud, right? And I don't want to do that. What if it's compromised due to any XYZ reason? What I want is to constrain it, to put that in some kind of box where it can't see anything outside the workspace it is being launched in. But how can we exactly do that? Oh, and here, my friend, who comes to the rescue? Docker Sandbox! And let me show you how we can use that. Okay, so the first thing you need is the Docker itself. So पहले Docker install कर लेना अपने आप. It's already installed in my machine. You can see Docker version. And now we can do Docker Sandbox help. See, it's built for that. Local sandbox environments for AI agents using Docker. So now what's my regular workflow? I create a new project directory for any new project. I go to that directory and I just do Docker sandbox run Claude. Claude because I want to run Claude. You can write Gemini as well there. Run Claude here. So I do dot. Now it will download the Docker image from the Docker itself and build everything, patch everything. Once the download is over, it will automatically launch the Cloud Code. You need to log in here with your account. Here you need to press C to copy, you need to paste into browser, and you need to log in there. Once you press the authorize, it will give one code which you need to paste here, and it will work. And now you need to use this like a normal user. Now, if you ask this, list the files inside at home directory. It will run this command ls home. You press yes, you give the permission. Still it don't have access to anything else this workspace. Okay, now what's in the workspace? Workspace is this folder where this is launched, the project folder. It's empty. True. So अभी ये अंधा हो चुका है, इसको पता ही नहीं है कौन से पीसी में रन हो रहा है, इसके सैंडबॉक्स के बाहर क्या है, इसको पता ही नहीं है कुछ, which is a great thing.